Welcome back to the Patricia Johnson Lifestyle Channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of growing a fuller beard naturally. Let's get started, fellas. We've all been there. That first little itch on your chin, whispering promises of a glorious mane. You ditch the razor, excited for the transformation. Then bam, patchy spots, dryness, the dreaded beard itch. Growing a beard, especially a full one, can feel like navigating a jungle blindfolded. But hold up, don't reach for that chemical-laden beard oil just yet. Nature's got your back, my friend. We're talking about unlocking the secrets to a fuller, healthier beard using the power of natural ingredients. Trust me, your face and your significant other will thank you. Let's embark on this journey together, one natural step at a time. Remember that time you used your grandma's secret hair oil and your hair felt like silk? That's the power of natural ingredients, my friend. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish your beard from the root. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, just pure goodness for a healthy, happy beard. Think about it. Your skin is your biggest organ. What you put on it matters. Using natural products means you're not just growing a beard, you're investing in your overall health. Plus, natural ingredients are gentle on your skin, reducing the risk of irritation and those pesky ingrown hairs. So go ahead, embrace the power of nature for a beard that's as healthy as it looks. Ready to transform your beard from patchy to powerful? Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing beard, these natural tips and tricks will guide you every step of the way. First things first, patience is key. Growing a beard is a journey, not a race. It requires time and commitment. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a magnificent beard. Each day, your beard will grow a little more, and with the right care, it will become the beard of your dreams. It takes time, dedication, and the right approach. Consistency in your grooming routine is essential. Start by incorporating a natural beard oil or balm into your daily routine. These products not only nourish your beard, but also keep the skin underneath healthy. Massage it into your beard and the skin underneath to moisturize and promote healthy growth. This simple step can make a big difference in the texture and appearance of your beard. Next up, ditch that bar soap and opt for a gentle, natural beard wash. Regular soaps can be too harsh and strip away the natural oils your beard needs. It cleanses without stripping away essential oils, keeping your beard soft and manageable. A well-washed beard is less prone to itchiness and irritation. And don't forget about exfoliation. This often overlooked step is crucial for maintaining a healthy beard. Once or twice a week, use a natural scrub to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs, allowing for better beard growth. Exfoliation helps to keep the skin beneath your beard clean and clear. Stick with these natural tips and tricks and watch your beard flourish like never before. With patience, consistency, and the right care, you'll achieve the beard you've always wanted. The Fantastic Four natural ingredients for a fuller beard. Alright, gentlemen, let's talk about the MVPs of the natural beard care world. These ingredients are not just any ordinary substances, they are the secret weapons in your grooming arsenal. These ingredients are like superheroes for your beard, each with unique powers to transform your facial hair game. Imagine having a team of superheroes working tirelessly to give you the beard of your dreams. Jojoba oil. This liquid gold is like a tall drink of water for your beard. It's incredibly similar to the natural oils produced by your skin, making it an excellent moisturizer. It mimics your skin's natural oils, moisturizing and preventing dryness without clogging pores. This means you get all the hydration without any of the greasy residue. Argan oil. Known for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, argan oil is like a spa day for your beard. It's packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, leaving it soft, shiny, and healthy. Regular use of argan oil can help reduce beard dandruff and irritation, making your beard not just look good, but feel good too. Shea butter. This rich butter is a powerhouse of moisture. It's derived from the nuts of the shea tree and is loaded with vitamins and fatty acids, packed with vitamins A and E that nourish and strengthen beard hairs, preventing breakage. Shea butter also provides a protective barrier against harsh environmental elements. Castor oil. Known for its hair-boosting properties, castor oil is a game-changer. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Castor oil can help promote thicker, fuller beard growth. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, keeping your beard clean and healthy. Incorporate these natural wonders into your beard care routine, and you'll not only see but feel the difference. Your beard will thank you for the extra care and attention, and witness the transformative power of nature firsthand. Embrace these natural ingredients and let your beard flourish like never before. Real beards, real results. Stories from the brothers. In this section, we dive deep into the personal journeys of men who have transformed their beards and, in turn, their lives. These are not just stories. They are testimonials of resilience, patience, and the power of natural care. Don't just take my word for it, gentlemen. The proof is in the experiences of real men who have walked this path. Let's hear from real brothers who've experienced the life-changing power of natural beard care. These are men from different walks of life, each with a unique story but a common goal: to achieve the best beard possible. I used to struggle with patchy beard growth and constant itching, says David, a software engineer from Atlanta. For years, I tried various products, but nothing seemed to work. It was frustrating and disheartening. But after switching to a natural beard oil and balm, my beard has never looked or felt better. The transformation was gradual but noticeable. My beard started to fill in, and the itching subsided. It's fuller, softer, and the itching is gone. I feel more confident and comfortable in my own skin. It's amazing what the right products can do. Michael, a teacher from Chicago, shares, "I've always admired men with full beards but thought I could never grow one myself. I had almost given up hope. Then I started using natural products with jojoba oil and shea butter, and my beard finally started to fill in. It was a game changer for me. The natural ingredients made all the difference. Now I get compliments on it all the time. People notice the change, and it feels great to receive positive feedback. It's not just about the beard, it's about the confidence it brings. These stories are a testament to the incredible power of natural ingredients. They show that with the right care and dedication, anyone can achieve their beard goals. So join the movement, gentlemen. Embrace the journey and see the results for yourself. Embrace the natural approach and unlock the full potential of your beard. Your best beard is just a few steps away, and it all starts with making the right choices. Embrace the growth confidence in every strand. Growing a beard is more than just facial hair. It's a journey of self-discovery, a statement of individuality. It's about embracing your natural features and letting your inner confidence shine through. And when you nourish your beard with the goodness of nature, you're not just enhancing its physical appearance, but also nurturing your self-esteem. Every time you massage that natural beard oil into your skin, every time you see your reflection and admire your healthy, flourishing beard, remember that you are worthy, you are strong, and you are uniquely you. Let your beard be a symbol of your self-assurance, a testament to the power of embracing your natural beauty. Join the natural beard movement. So, my friends, what are you waiting for? Ditch the chemicals, embrace the power of nature, and embark on your journey to a healthier, fuller beard. It's time to join the movement of men who are taking charge of their beard care naturally. Remember, growing a beard is more than just genetics. It's about dedication, self-care, and choosing what's best for your body and the environment. Let your beard be a reflection of your commitment to a natural, healthier lifestyle. Trust me, your face, your confidence, and Mother Nature will thank you. Now go forth and grow those glorious, magnificent beards, gentlemen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Patricia Johnson Lifestyle channel for more tips and tricks. Join the natural beard movement today.